As per our mouths, as per our words, we are saying that we love Almighty Allah. We love Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. These are good words. It's a good love, but it's not a true love, because true love requires evidence, actions, sacrifice. Like I can say, if you love someone in this world with a human, so you always thinking about him or her. You always daily, in the night, in the day, you are thinking about him or her. You want to do each and everything for him, for her, because you love truly, honestly with him. This is real love, in which you do each and everything for him. But if we look in this case, you are saying, I'm saying that I'm the true lover of Almighty Allah and Hazrat Muhammad, but even though we are not performing each single prayer, we are not reciting Holy Quran, we are not accepting, we are not following the ways, the sayings of Almighty Allah, the rules, the sweet habits of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Which type of love is this? This is not true love. This is the love but just by our wording, as per our mouths, not realistic love. So if you want to be a true lover of Almighty Allah and Hazrat Muhammad, if you're claiming that I'm a true lover, so you have to present the action evidence, you have to do sacrifice. And how? Like, it's very easy. Even if you can't do something extra, you have to just perform 5 times prayers a day. It's not a big deal, it's not too difficult thing for you. Each and every prayer take maximum about 15 minutes. You can perform this. Second, you have to recite Holy Quran daily, because Holy Quran is I can say it provides energy and satisfaction to the human, and it's also the source of presenting the love and affection to the Almighty Allah and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And thirdly, you have to follow the sayings, the sweet habits of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the sayings of Almighty Allah. After following these simple 3 steps, you will become a normal Muslim, a lover of Almighty Allah and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is not a big deal, this is not difficult. You have to follow these rules. And believe me, whenever you follow these rules, your life will completely change from yesterday. Like what you was yesterday, today you will be completely changed. Because these 3 rules can change your life, can provide a lot of satisfaction, and you will feel very happy in this world. So I think this is real love. You have to claim that after following these steps, that I am a true lover of Almighty Allah and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you so much.